Nice job. You remembered how it all worked.
Yeah, I think so. Everything is very rusty and gnarly though.
Yeah,
so
we're gonna have to do some de-rust, degreasing, I guess. All right, let's hit the road.
Good morning, adventurers!
Good morning, y'all. We're on the road again.
And I'm filming, which I don't normally do, so I apologize if things are wonky.
Well, I have to drive for the first few hours because we haven't driven this rig in a while, and I really don't want something to go wrong while she's behind the wheel.
He thinks I'll panic, which is probably true, so this is better this way. But if you caught our previous video, you know that we spent a weekend ferociously trying to get this rig in order. She was sitting on our property in Texas. She's been there, what, for a year? There were a lot of things we had to fix up, but Clementine is all good to go, I think, hopefully. So here is the plan. We are going to head straight west. We're gonna drive all the way through Texas. We're gonna come up into New Mexico and drive into White Sands National Park because, as we mentioned in our Big Bend video, you can film in national parks now, or we can film in national parks, and it's all legal. We don't have to get any insurance or apply for permits or anything. And we have some cheeky friends meeting up with us there, Philly and Keely.
Are you calling them cheeky because they're British?
Yes, but they have been doing quite a huge US adventure. They started up in the Northwest and have been slowly making their way down here to Texas.
We've actually been trying to meet up with those two this entire time that they've been road tripping, but we've just been busy doing all this other stuff, and everything's been taking up all our time, and we haven't been able to get down here, get the RV in order, and then head out. That's why we're heading out there, because they're almost all the way into like the Austin area. So if we're gonna road trip with them at all outside of Texas, this is the only way.
Yeah.
But you may already know this, Alex and Emma, AKA the Travel Beans, and their tiny little beans are coming to visit us. Finally, we've been holding their van hostage for like over a year now, I think.
Yep.
But first things first, we're gonna have ourselves a little adventure with Philly and Keely, assuming that our rig makes it out there. Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
So far, she's purring like a very overweight kitten.
That's a good description, very overweight kitten.
But purring nonetheless.
Yes.
Well, we just realized that our RV is way over the time when she was supposed to get an oil change. It was supposed to be at 88,000 and she's at 90 right now. And the next service date was over a year ago. So we really don't want to drive it much further without getting an oil change. But the problem is the places always have bays that are too small, or a bunch of places are closed today. And we do not have AC in any of our vehicles anymore. This vehicle actually has brand new AC, but the belt keeps slipping off. I don't know if you guys remember that. I think I put it in the video, but we eventually had to just cut that belt off and live with no AC because we've already had many people look at it. No one can fix this problem. The belt always slips off.
I'm not sweating as much, but I got a tank top and shorts. You're like full on over there in clothing.
I sweat a lot more than you.
I glisten, sir.
Okay, we'll just see if we can go to the next town over, but fingers crossed our engine doesn't blow up from the bad oil. You guys, we are doing incredibly well on this road trip. We are about an hour from our halfway point, which is Fort Stockton here in Texas. Clementine hasn't given us any problems, but we realized we haven't even looked into RV parks or anything, and there's no off-grid camping that I know of there. So we always do this where we're like about to pull into a place and we're like, oh yeah, we need a place to stay for the night.
You guys, we might be the worst RVers of all times.
Yeah, we never learn our lessons.
No, never, ever.
Luckily, it appears there are many, many RV parks in Fort Stockton, and it usually has a way of working out. So as long as it's before 5, because a lot of them will not take reservations after 5, so that could be a problem.
We lucked out and picked the best gas station in the entire world, you guys. There's a horde of little kittens everywhere. I think they're too skittish to let us pet them, but oh my gosh, are they adorable.
The little black one got close though.
So close. I'm gonna try again once this is done, don't you worry.
All right, we found the nice one. Come here, buddy. Oh, you're a sweetie. Are you coming with us? We managed to arrive at the RV park in the daytime for once in our lives. And that's for us.
Yeah.
All right, sweet.
Office is still closed, that's classic, but we're not setting up in the dark.
What are you doing in there?
Trying to find a quarter for laundry. I swear I saw one in here. So it's $1.50 to wash, $2 to dry. I have $3.25. I need 1 quarter.
And she says she saw one laying in the depths of the Suzuki.
I think I found it. It's a, oh my gosh, it's a Filipino peso or piso. What?
Well, let's put it in the machine, see what happens.
How long has it been since we've been to the Philippines? And how the heck is it in ruby? Ah, I was so excited.
Well, at least that means we don't have to do laundry tonight.
I guess we're in for the evening. First official night back in the RV on the road. Oh my gosh.
But it is officially dinner time, and you know what that means.
Ooh.
Time for a classic slow motion food porn montage.
Yeah, DJ, spin that.
Back in our little home on wheels, and it feels so good, y'all.
It really does feel like our home.
Yeah, it's making us remember all the awesome trips we've went on in this thing and how many amazing meals Allison has mostly cooked in here. I cooked a couple, all right?
You've cheered me on.
But she made this salmon with Brussels sprouts and rice, and it just looks fantastic.
Although, sorry, Philly and Keely, if you come in here and it just smells like a lot of fish. I didn't really think about that one.
So we made it to Fort Stockton. We got about 4.5 hours to go tomorrow to head over to White Sands. We've planned absolutely nothing with these guys, so hopefully we can make something happen.
We're just gonna meet somehow there at some point.
Well, I just now sent them a message like, hey, where are we all staying?
We'll figure it out.
We'll figure it out by this time tomorrow, I guess. You guys, we have been watching The Chair Company on HBO, and it is fantastic. It's like one of our favorite comedies we've seen in a very, very long time, huh?
It's superb. If you like this, that's our kind of comedy.
And you might have noticed we are not watching it on our projector, and that is because it either broke or we lost the mount for it.
There was some mount or something and we don't have it, and now we're being lazy, so it's laptop time.
Yeah, because I mean, it needs to be set at an angle like that to work, and that's not gonna happen. Well, that might work. It just doesn't really work without the mount, so. All right, laptop it is.
Yep. First day back on the road, success! And now it is time for bed, which is great because going to bed together is one of our favorite things to do, if you know what I mean. Because our bed's so comfortable. What were you guys thinking?
Oh, I know what they were thinking.
Okay, but seriously, this mattress is super comfortable. It is made by Brooklyn Bedding, and they are actually partnering with us on today's video. If you guys remember back when we were building this rig, we needed a mattress that was thin, light, the right fit, but still comfortable. We could not find the right one though, so we literally cut a mattress down with a Sawzall.
But that was a huge mistake because then we found Brooklyn Bedding, and they make mattresses specifically for RVs. You can pick the thickness, you can pick the size, so it'll fit perfectly into whatever space you need.
We've stayed in a lot of beds all over the world, but we always love coming back to our RV bed because it is just so dang comfy. And believe me, we have put it to the test, if you know what I mean. We've slept on it a lot, you guys. Again, where are your heads at?
And there is no risk trying their mattress out because they offer a 120-night sleep trial. So if you don't like it, you can get a refund. So if you're looking for a new bed, you can check out rvmattress.com. You can click the link below, or you can head to rvmattress.com/endlessadventure and get 30% off your mattress. It really is like a cozy little nook up here, you guys. Pretty fantastic. Ow! Go.
Oh no!
Except when you bonk your head.
Jeez. Are you okay?
Ow. Have you ever bonked your head up here?
Well, no.
I feel like I've done it a lot more than you, but it's still really cozy.
Well, now I'm not sure if I should let you go to sleep.
Ow.
You might have a concussion.
All right, we're tired. We're gonna go to bed. You guys can just hang out and watch us all night if you want.
Ooh. Yeah, we'll switch over to our other channel from here.
Shh. There's no other channel, you guys. It's not gonna happen. I know some of you guys ask about it all the time. All right, buzz off. Well, we're supposed to be on the road already, but we're frantically cleaning the place because we haven't had company in a while.
We're not dirty people necessarily, but you know, there's a lot of grime that gets in the corners. We live in Texas, it's very dusty, so there's a lot of dust and debris, and I'm just, you know, trying to do a nice little once over at least.
Yeah, and you guys know we've already cleaned this thing, but just one night in an RV, because it's such a small space, stuff just gets everywhere because there's nowhere to put stuff.
Magically, in a couple minutes, it'll all be gone and beautiful, but for right now, I'm in panic mode!
Well, we pushed her as far as we're willing to go, and we've decided we needed to find an oil change place. Luckily, we found one with nobody here. It's got huge bays. It's really challenging because we have a custom engine, so they try to put this into their system, and the vehicle's too old, but the engine is from 2004. Then I have to bring my own oil because they never have the oil that my mechanic recommends. It's a whole hassle every single time, man.
Every time. And we had to disconnect Ruby so that, you know, she doesn't fall into the pit when we drive through.
Yeah, you can't bring a tow vehicle into this area, so. We made a quick stop to Tractor Supply Company, and that is to get a very vital component of our RV life.
Yes.
You guys know we have a compost toilet, and you have to put peat moss in that sucker for it to work. We had to empty it this morning. We did not show you that because it is not a glamorous thing.
It's gross.
But it was very much full, and they very much were out of peat moss at Tractor Supply, so we don't have a toilet for now.
We'll only be doing number ones until we can find it.
Exactly. Or dig a hole in the woods, because we're going to be going kind of off grid with those guys, right?
Yeah, that's true. Don't Phil and Keely have a real toilet, huh? They got luxury, man.
Oh yeah, we're going to go and use their toilet. Hi
No,
guys, nice to meet you. Can I use your toilet?
That's how you build a friendship,
Yeah,
right?
exactly. Well, we're making horrible time, but on the plus side, we got delicious burritos. We found a little place in town where they just have all the ingredients there and they put it all together for you. A little bit more legit than Chipotle, huh?
Yeah, when you get out this far in West Texas, you get only little mom and pop shops, and I love it.
Also managed to find some decent coffee, so things are off on the right foot today.
I'm really happy about it.
As she rips that apart like an animal.
It's so good.
I just hopped in the back really quick to fill up our water bottle. I'm never back here while we're driving, and it's like being in an earthquake or a tornado or something. This thing is surprisingly well built though, because nothing has ever rattled loose or anything. Howdy.
Hi, what are you doing back there?
I got you some water. I already put it up there.
Oh, thank you.
All right, we've made it to El Paso just in time for rush hour traffic. And El Paso rush hour is not fun at all. It's like 6 full lanes of red taillights. I've also noticed that about 20% of the other people on the road have their phone like this in their face. Have you guys noticed that? Freaking everybody on the road drives with their phone in their face these days. I mean, I know I'm no perfect driver. I mean, I'm kind of distracted by the camera right now, but having your phone right in your face and half the time they're on TikTok. Like, come on, you guys. That's just not cool. You guys, we're just popping over to a grocery store, and we just saw the most adorable RV that maybe has ever existed. It's a little tiger.
It's the cutest thing. More like a little kitten, but I love that it's called a tiger.
I wanted to go over there, but then Allison informed me that there's a guy sitting in the front of it, so.
There's somebody in there. Dang, well, if you're watching this, your rig is awesome.
Well, this is the part we don't really miss so much about RV life. Trying to fit everything in our tiny little fridge.
Yeah, I could do it better, but we're just running so late and now it's dark, and we were really trying to get there not in the dark.
There's always just enough stuff to where it won't close.
Yeah. Maybe that'll do it.
There you go.
Hopefully I didn't just squirt everything out everywhere.
And most importantly,
lock it.
Yes. All right, back on the road.
Alright, so these guys ended up scouting out a little camping spot for the night, about 20 miles or 20 minutes north of Las Cruces. I think we are about halfway there. There's still the tiniest hint of sunlight in the sky,
yeah,
right?
We're gonna call that before dark, right?
Yeah, it's like super duper dusk, but I think it's just out into the mountains in the dirt. Should be pretty picturesque when we wake up in the morning, but we'll have to wait to see.
Well, it's turned into dirt road. We are definitely in the middle of nowhere now. Why, hello there. Howdy, strangers.
Hey, adventurers.
This rig is so cool. Oh man, you guys got lights and everything?
We only put them up last week.
Really?
For you guys?
Oh, well, thank you.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna park right here next to you guys. Is that cool?
Dude, if we could just like stride between vans.
Oh yeah, she's got a backup camera, so she's got this. A little more. There you go.
Okay, we're here, it's real, and now we get to take a look inside. Oh, don't get hit by the door on the way in. All right.
We'll get to that at some point.
Christmas
Ooh.
time. Oh my gosh, you guys.
It is so adorable in here, you guys.
It's like a little
Welcome.
cabin.
Everything's original.
Well, hey,
Man.
the floor underneath our vinyl floor looks like that. So
I mean,
that's still under there.
It's a little bit rough, but you know, nothing mats can't cover.
Yeah, exactly. There you go.
Your
Put some
owners
rugs
did
down.
such a good job taking care of this before you guys, though.
They did.
Alright, I guess now they got to see our rig.
Okay. Oh man, ours is cute, but theirs is like so cozy, you guys. Well, welcome to Clementine.
Welcome.
LA.
Mi casa
This
es
is
su
like-
casa.
This is like a Melbourne apartment or something.
Oh my gosh, you guys, what the heck?
It's a very different kind of cabin vibe.
Flipping heck.
It-
Can we stay here?
We'll just switch. Yeah, you
that
guys
would
just
be great.
take
Let's
ours
just
for
swap.
now.
That'll be fine.
Guys, this is
Oh.
so pretty.
my.
Oh my word, all the finishing touches, like my eyes just keep getting pulled to so many different things. They have a projector. We're watching Christmas movies.
Aha.
Oh,
Dude,
yes,
like
yes,
it looks
yes.
good. It looks good on video, but like to see it in real life, it's just like it's so open.
Wow.
It's so clean. See like these straight lines and everything, dude.
Well, don't look too close. They're straight-ish.
You're pressing my buttons, I tell you that.
Alright, we got a whole dinner thing going on here. What are we making? Burritos?
Yes.
we
Or,
are.
sorry, what are you guys making while I watch?
Yes, we're making burritos.
Yeah,
Is it about
legit
this?
burritos too. Look at this.
This is what some would call a tortilla. Maybe not everyone. It's a little Pac-Man like or something.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my god, these girls made a feast.
No,
Look at this.
I just was told what to do. Keely did it all, and potentially Philly.
I did
maybe.
nothing.
I
I did
didn't know
nothing.
prior to us getting here.
Yeah, I was
did
saying we
anything.
just sat here and chatted about
Yeah.
video games and stuff while they were working. When you guys said burritos, I was not expecting like a full-on like restaurant treatment here. Wow,
Yeah, man.
fantastic.
Yeah, no. we
Nice
got
work,
it.
y'all.
Enjoy.
All right, should we do a little cheers?
Yes.
Yay!
Cheers, you guys.
To New Mexico and friends and stuff like that. All right, we're leaving these guys for the night. Thanks for the food. Thanks for the hospitality, the
Thanks
fun
for being here.
vibes.
It was good.
Thanks for coming over.
Thanks
It
for
was
being
like- it
junky
was-
RV buddies with us.
Yeah.
I know
it
we
was
might
fun.
be here in the morning. We'll see.
We will.
I'm
This
only
was
joking.
so fun. This is so good. I'm not
We're gonna come knock on your door in the morning.
You guys are great.
Does anybody ever make jokes about your RV being like a Breaking Bad RV?
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
We were at a
all the
gas
time.
station once and someone yelled out Breaking Bad.
Yeah.
Yes, we
And
get that too.
tweakers, we get that a lot.
And I told him, I was like, little do you know, I'm cooking meth in here.
We do all kind of have that look.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
All the
Tweaker
long-
meth.
Uh-oh. Don't look
All right.
behind that door, whatever you do.
And with that,
Nothing
we'll see you
happened
guys
here.
tomorrow.
Yeah.
See you